Meaning of folio.
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 Folio. Folio is a term used in bookbinding and publishing that refers to the page number of a book or manuscript. Folios are usually identified with a combination of letters and numbers, such as A1 or B3, and are used to organize the pages of a book or manuscript in a logical sequence. Folios also serve as a reference point for scholars and researchers who study historical texts, as they provide a consistent way to locate specific pages within a document. In short, folios help to organize and navigate the contents of a book or manuscript.